Hey guys, this is Geek Out Everything, and today we are going to do the unboxing of a mystery tag. So guys, it's just a kind of a mystery tag because it's just a channel update because I bought a new mic for my channel and for a good sound quality. And guys, I have go for a nice and portable mic. You'll get to know. We are just gonna unbox it. And guys, I bought it because I just want to increase the sound quality of my channel, and yeah, that is what is important because I think more than the video quality, the sound quality does matter a lot. Because if your subscriber doesn't hear you properly, then they will not understand what you're making and all that stuff. So as you can see, this is a Go mic by Samsung. So it's a Samsung Go mic, it's a bill or something like that. So yeah, so guys, I bought it because of its portability and its size, because it's really small as you can see. But we will gonna unbox it and see. The MRP is 5,000, but you can get it from Amazon or Flipkart for rupees 3,500. So it is not that much pricey. And as you can see, they says perfect for Skype, FaceTime, YouTube. So the intention of the company is also for this content, for content makers. You can buy it, and I'm gonna do the review of it, a proper review, so you'll get to know how the mic is. But now let's jump inside and let's see what is hidden under the box. So guys, this is a user manual and some advertisement card, so about the software or something like that. So nothing much, just a little quick start guide. And guys, the first thing first, we have a USB cable. So it's a mini USB to USB type A. It's not of that much high quality, but yeah, the quality is good and it does the job pretty well. And guys, now here we have a main thing, which is a mic, and it does feel quite a bit heavy. So I think the quality should be really good. And yeah, here we have our mic itself. So let me just take it out, and it just comes in this metal casing or whatever you call it. It's like a stand where you can put it on your monitor or your laptop screen, so it will help you to do that. And yeah, so this is what it is. And guys, about the casing, the case is really good. It's a hard case and keeps your mic safe if you travel a lot or something like that, so it will help you to do that. So guys, in terms of the build quality, as you can see, it's totally made up of metal and gives you that nice premium feel. So at the front we have a Samsung branding, and guys, this is the metal stand or the metal holder, whatever you call it. It is also of pretty good quality. And guys, for recording you can use any software like Adobe Audition or Audacity. If you're a beginner, then I will recommend you to use the Audacity because it is pretty simple to use and pretty straightforward. And guys, we have three modes actually. One is the condenser, and second one is -10 decibel, and the third one is omnidirectional. So if you want to give the voiceovers, then -10 decibel is good, and if you want to speak from a little different distance, then the cardioid mode is the best, and omnidirectional is for podcast and all that kind of stuff. And guys, now I have connected this to my computer, and as you can see, we have this green light lighting up, as you can see. So it will gives you the turn on and off the sign. And if you speak a little louder or over the peak point, then it will turn red. So I think it's a pretty good sign if you want to monitor your sound. And you can also plug your headphones into your 3.5mm headphone jack in order to monitor the audio. So that's a pretty good feature, I have to say. And guys, the audio that you're listening is recorded via this Samsung Go mic. So if you want a review or something like that, then this is how the mic sounds like in in the -10 decibel mode. And if I tell you how it sounds in the cardioid mode, then this is the sound that you're hearing is recorded in the cardioid mode. So this is the cardioid mode, and if I go to the omnidirectional mode, it sounds like this. So as you can see, it is picking the sound from this side and the other side as well. So it will make a really bad noise. So if you want to use the omnidirectional mode, you have to use it in a pretty what do you say, isolated place. So yeah, so guys, we are back on our minus 10 decibel mode for voiceovers. So yeah guys, this is the mic that I really want. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do. But if you like, then get subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. I'll really love if you do that. And peace, goodbye, see you later. Subscribe guys, that is what you have to do.